So there really wasn't much of a difference, whether you're a man or a woman. Basically, gender did not matter so much, except in the kind of work that you would get as a woman filmmaker. Even in advertising, what is the kind of work that you will get as a woman filmmaker? So mostly people just assume that women-centric stuff, and maybe that you'll be able to handle those kind of products better. Maybe you cannot make a larger statement on anything else which is a little more what is considered macho. So yeah, that is something that we had to break, that sort of a mold we had to break out of. But it's really been a very interesting process through all these years for us to make films, and there never really has been a time where we have felt that, oh my god, we are like women filmmakers and we can't do this or we can't do that. We strongly believe that, I think it's maybe because we are from the urban environment, and education and the kind of fields that we have worked in matters a lot. So we never really faced that sort of an opposition to us being women filmmakers. But yes, if we were to maybe go more grassroots and do kind of sort of grassroots cinema or grassroots documentary filmmaking, maybe that would be a challenge. I'm assuming sometimes it would be a challenge because we do come from, I come from a smaller city in Haryana, so I know what that mindset is like. I know what it is like to go back to those spaces and places and, try to assert yourself as a creative person, first, and then as a woman, because then it becomes a two-way tussle. I'm sure that would be a thing. Do you have anything to add?
The only one thing that we face is not being women filmmakers, but being women generally in India is a matter of safety. As filmmakers, we got to be out in the night, sometimes traveling really late. So we are really careful. We have a brilliant crew with us most of the time. So just the matter of a bit of like trying to be safe, just as women.
Personal
safety, not just as filmmakers, but just being women who are out there working, doing what they want to do. It's very important. I think women tell their stories very differently from what a man would say. So I think women, not just in front of the camera, but behind the camera, that's what is really our challenge as well, and the statement that we tried to make. We started our production house. We were the first director-producer combination when we started our own production house. There never was one where the director and producer were both women.
In advertising.
We try to also work with a women crew whenever is possible, because we believe that women editors, women DOPs, and it's important to bring women out as technicians as well. Directors are still known, but technicians. And women do tell their stories differently. And I think it's important. But having said that, like Ruhi said, that we are filmmakers at the end of the day, so we can just about go and do an action film starring Jackie Chan. It doesn't really matter, in the end of the day. We are filmmakers. The chance to make their own choices in life, whatever that may be, that's the important thing. It's freedom, and freedom to make your own choices. That's always our dream.
Or as we heard in the festival this morning, so this is a fantastic festival because we're meeting so many interesting women filmmakers, journalists, and people, storytellers. And we started this morning with sort of like a chant which was about Azadi. Azadi lenge, like we will take it. It is not something that should be handed out to you, but it is out there for you to take it. Azadi, freedom, is a basic human right. And everybody deserves that, to say what you want, to do what you want, and to live the life the way that you want to live it. So we wish that everybody goes out and takes what's theirs, and that's freedom. Take it, it's yours. The freedom to make your choices, the freedom to make your own mistakes, the freedom to live life the way that you deem fit, not as what is written down in the texts, not as what is perceived by anybody else, but the freedom to really make your choices at a very basic level, right from the very beginning. That would be freedom for me.
She said, what am I? Yeah, freedom is having the space, I think, to do what you want to do, whatever that may be. Be who you want to be. So that's freedom for me.